Welcome to Riseofkings. This is my castle. It's currently got the Ships of Souls castle theme added to it, which is a sunken ship. And it is Tournament of Kingdoms currently right now, and as you see, I absolutely have no points whatsoever because I have not done this event yet. But a quick way to show you how to do an event and gain power quickly. This is the power up phase. You would quick way to do it is run through your list of everything you have, your bag. As you can see, these are the 50% point cards. If you have 4 of them, you can compose them and make one 100% point card. For shits and giggles, I'm going to use the 100% right now. Okay, and as you saw, I started out with absolutely no points whatsoever. Go here, use all your wishes. This may take a minute. Okay, and as you can see, I have used gems as well, and I have 0 free wishes left. I've used them all to gain more power. Okay. So then you can come back out. If you have any, let me use that real quick. If you have any conscriptions, these are called troop trainers. This one is a 10K troop trainer. This one is a 5K troop trainer, and this one is a 1.5. Of course, your 10K is going to use a lot more resources to train and a lot more speed ups if you're trying to gain quick points on KVK. But I'm going to use one of these. I'm going to go to my biggest training station. This is the barracks. It trains infantry. This is your workshop where you build your traps. This is the stables. That's cavalry. This is target range. You train your archers there. And this is siege works where you train your war machines. But I'm going to use my biggest, which is legendary 1, the barracks infantry. Infantry and cavalry is your strongest troop type. They have your strongest attack. So I always train that if I can, and as you see, I absolutely have no steel. So I'm going to hope I have enough in my resources to do this, and I don't. So I'm going to buy some. Okay, well that gave me enough. Go down here, speed it up. As you see, I didn't have enough speed ups. You can go here to the Alliance store, click it, and you have a list of everything in your alliance. If you are an R4 or R5, you can control what is put into this list. I am the R5 of the Alliance Blow, BLO. So I'm going to come down here and buy me some 8 hours. Oh, no, I'm not either. Don't have enough. I'm going to buy a couple 1 hours. go in, speed it up, and as you see, it would cost me 4,000 gems to speed this up, but I'm going to use it to show you guys how quickly you can gain points for KVK. So my gems, which are right here, are really bad now. Alright, just for those, as you can see, it's given me 4.2 million points just for using wishes and training one 10K troop. You can also, it's increased power, so you can also go and you can upgrade buildings. I'm severely out of a few things because I just raised up my dispatch. This is the drill grounds. You want to get that up as quickly as you possibly can. It gives you bigger dispatches, and as you see, I have increased mine to L2. My castle is an L2. I'll come out here. That is my castle. Right here. And this is my alliance. There's somebody doing something. So we are the second most powerful alliance in Kingdom 194. We would be number 1, but the leader of Gao has 142 million power. Yes, 142 million. She is by far the biggest here and probably has more money to spend than I will ever see in a year or in my lifetime. So if it wasn't for her, we would be by far the biggest in the kingdom. But that is a quick way to level up your power during KVK. The best way to level up your power, and I completely missed it because it would be a great way to show you guys how to get more points than just about anybody, would be to come here. This is your blacksmith shop. Go to equip, go down to the last jewels, go in and remove every jewel you have. I'm just going to put it back because I was just trying to show you guys. Remove everything, every jewel you have. Remove them all. And then, go to your next item, remove all of your gems again. And keep doing that all the way through each one. And you have to do this before the start of the power-up event. If you do not do it before the start of the power-up event, then you will not get the points. Like if I was to pull them off now and then put them back on, it would do absolutely no good for me. So before the start of the power-up event, take off all your gems, ask somebody in your alliance or in the kingdom to help you do this part. Go in and send troops to different tiles and have somebody else hit them. Leave them in your hospital until the event starts, and then heal them. And you can go as far as I've gotten top 3 before during KVK by doing that. My hospital holds 203,000, which is good, but it could be better. But 203,000, that's approximately 2 million power worth of power up. So if I have troops in the hospital, my power is going to be down probably around 7 million. And then once I heal it back, it'll be back to 9.2 million. And if you do it on a tile, you don't have to worry about losing troops or anything like that, because it only wounds them. And then once the event starts, heal your troops, come back to your blacksmith shop, and put all your jewels back on. Because when you put a jewel on, it gives you more power. You can also reset your equipment. I'm not resetting mine because my equipment is pretty good where it's at, and I really don't want to reset it because the chances of me getting this back is slim to none. But yeah, just reset your equipment. That's always a good thing. You can put a blessing stone on there as well, and that will give you more power. That is how to increase your power during the power up event during KVK. I will be on for tomorrow for the next event to show you guys how to do the next event, and I'll go through all the way to the war phase and show you guys how to hold throne and keep throne and not lose it. But anyhow, my name is Wicked Vixen, as you see here. I'm the R5 of Blow Alliance. We have 92 people in our alliance. Pretty much everybody is pretty active. These are my R4s. As you can see, everybody's got a pretty good amount of power. And then it goes down from there. R3s. There's a lot of R3s that have quite a bit of power here as well. But yeah, so you'll be hearing more from me as each event happens. See you later.